Are you tired of feeling like your efforts to manifest your dreams are hitting an invisible wall? Have you ever wondered why, despite your best intentions, you're not seeing the results you desire? You are not alone. The bad news is that experts are saying the majority of these habits are being done every single day by the vast majority of the population, which means you and I unknowingly doing these habits. But fear not, because today, I will tell you the habits that kill the law of attraction in your life. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to break free from these destructive patterns and the power of manifestation like never before. Negative self-talk. Picture this. You wake up each morning filled with ambition and excitement for the day ahead. Yet, as you glance in the mirror, a barrage of self-critical thoughts flood your mind. I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed. I'm unworthy of love. Sound familiar? Negative self-talk is the insidious whisper that erodes your self-confidence and repels the very blessings you seek to attract. But fear not, for awareness is the first step towards liberation. By identifying and replacing these toxic thoughts with empowering affirmations, you can shift your vibration and align with the abundance awaiting you. Lack of gratitude. Gratitude is not just a fleeting emotion, it's the cornerstone of the law of attraction. Picture it as the fuel that powers your manifesting engine. Without it, you're essentially driving with an empty tank, hoping to reach your destination on fumes. Every day, we're bombarded with reasons to feel discontented, but taking a moment to acknowledge the blessings in our lives can work wonders. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're ready and open to receive even more abundance. It's like planting seeds of positivity that grow into a lush garden of opportunities. So, if you've been neglecting gratitude in your daily routine, it's time to make a change. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how cultivating an attitude of gratitude can supercharge your manifestation journey and transform your life. Fear-based thinking. Fear is the antithesis of faith, and it's like putting a roadblock on the path of the law of attraction. When we allow fear to dominate our thoughts, we're essentially telling the universe that we're not ready or deserving of the abundance we seek. Instead of visualizing our dreams coming true, we fixate on all the things that could go wrong, inadvertently attracting more of those negative outcomes. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy in the worst sense. But here's the good news. We can regain control over our manifestation process by recognizing and addressing our fear-based thinking patterns. It's about shifting our focus from what we don't want to what we do want, from fear to faith. So, if you've been trapped in a cycle of fearful thoughts, stay tuned as we uncover practical strategies to break free from fear's grip and step into a reality of limitless possibilities. Dwelling on the past. Living in the past prevents you from moving forward. The law of attraction operates in the present moment. When we dwell on past regrets, mistakes, or missed opportunities, we anchor ourselves to a reality that no longer serves us. It's like trying to drive forward while constantly looking in the rearview mirror. You're bound to crash. But here's the thing, every moment is a fresh opportunity to align with the universe and attract what we desire. By releasing the grip of the past and embracing the present moment, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. It's about forgiving ourselves for past shortcomings and trusting that everything happens for a reason. So, if you find yourself stuck in the quicksand of yesterday, stay tuned as we delve into practical techniques to break free and step boldly into the now, where manifestation truly thrives. Surrounding yourself with negativity. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your reality. Surrounding yourself with negative people or energy drains positive vibrations and hinders the law of attraction. Think about it. If you spend most of your time with pessimistic individuals who constantly complain or criticize, their negativity will inevitably seep into your consciousness, clouding your ability to manifest your desires. It's like trying to plant seeds of positivity in soil poisoned with negativity. They simply won't grow. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In the upcoming segments, we'll explore practical strategies for creating a more positive and supportive environment conducive to attracting abundance and success. Stay tuned as we uncover the power of surrounding yourself with positivity and how it can supercharge your manifestation efforts. It's time to break free from the shackles of negativity and step into a brighter, more vibrant reality. Lack of action. Now, let's talk about the final nail in the coffin of the law of attraction: lack of action. You see, the law of attraction isn't just about wishing and hoping. It's about taking inspired action towards your goals. Without action, your intentions remain stagnant, floating aimlessly in the sea of possibilities. Think of it like this. You can visualize yourself driving a luxury car all day, but unless you get behind the wheel and start driving towards your destination, you'll never reach your desired destination. Action is the fuel that propels your dreams forward, turning them from mere fantasies into tangible realities. So, if you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the universe to deliver your desires on a silver platter, it's time to get up, get moving, and take the necessary steps towards your goals. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the power of inspired action and how it can revolutionize your manifestation journey. Don't just dream it, do it. The bad news is that experts say the majority of these habits are practiced daily by most of us, unknowingly sabotaging our manifestation efforts. But the good news is that awareness is the first step towards change. By recognizing and eliminating these habits, you can unlock the full potential of the law of attraction in your life. Ready to shift your mindset and start manifesting your dreams? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and techniques to supercharge your law of attraction journey.